Good morning guys. So today I have a Clasico Style Villa to show you. We are on Upper Sea. We are in an urbanisation called Camposol. We are near the port of Matharon, 20 minutes from all the beautiful beaches and 30 minutes from Cavera Airport, which is Murcia International. So let's go inside and check it out. So just here at the bottom of the staircase, you got a little terrace. You could put a little bistro table and chairs there if you wanted to. And this few steps with the decorative balustrade leads up to a lovely sun terrace. Now we're on the sun terrace here and it's absolutely glorious with the sun shining down. Nice little shaded spot here, but during the day this is going to be a sun trap. Really nice. So just here you see you've got RefCAC and blackout blinds on the windows and you've got an overhead light. So let's go in and check it out. This property is decorated throughout. Really nice and pristine. So I've just come into the property, so you've got a nice living space here. I'm just going to come up this end and pan around for you, so you get a feel for the room. Now just through the archway there are doors off to the bedrooms and the family bathroom. So let me take you into the master bedroom. So I've just come into the master bedroom and as you can see you have a ceiling light and fan. There are RefCAC and blackout blinds on the windows. If I just pan around, you can see integrated overhead storage and a double wardrobe. Switches and sockets on either side. And of course you've got your TV point and more electric sockets on the side of the cabinet there. Okay. So just in here is your bathroom. So you have it fully tiled from floor to ceiling. You've got your bath, your WC, sink and vanity unit. I'll just come over here and check. You have a shower there, frosted glass window and a modern mirror. Okay, you've also got your shaving socket there at the side. So let's go in here to the guest room. So in the guest room, you've got two single beds. You could fit a double bed in here quite easily. Again, RefCAC and blackout blinds on the windows. The RefCAC are very decorative. And you've got your ceiling light and fan up there. You also have integrated overhead storage and double wardrobes. So let's go through to the kitchen. So you have got an upgraded kitchen in here. You have plenty of top and base units. You've got your electric hob and your oven. Underneath there, you've got your new hood extractor. Beautiful splash blacks, all done out in granite. You've a washing machine, fridge, freezer, and more top and base units. Really lovely kitchen. So I'm going to take you out the back now and have a look at your outside space. So you've got that front terrace to the front of the property, and just out here you've got a nice little back terrace. Now you could have your breakfast out here off the kitchen if you put a nice table and chairs, and maybe just put a sail across there to keep you nice and shaded. I'm just going down the end here, turn around so you can see the length of it, okay? You have an overhead light there as well over the back door. So I'm going to take you up the stairs. We're going to look at the rooftop solarium. So see you upstairs, guys. Now I'm upstairs The sun is shining and it's getting quite hot. And this is your rooftop solarium. You have storage over there. You could have some false grass down here, maybe a hot tub or a lazy spa. Some of that green grass, that false grass. You could build a nice bar up here for yourself as well. And while you're having a nice bevy and looking over there, beautiful mountain views. Really lovely. So if you are interested in this property, guys, contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and don't forget to put the reference number with your email, because the reference number will tell the girls in the office which property you're inquiring about. And don't forget to put your contact details. So until the next time, see you guys in the next video.